So glad I got this. So glad I didn't have to order this from China. Oh, whoa. Yo, this thing is huge. Whoa, that thing is massive. Let's put this thing on though. I'm so excited to test this out. Okay. This thing is huge. I'm like, this is no longer a pocket size camera. That's hilarious. All right, is this the close focus? I think it is. Whoa. Yo. That's on the flower. And this is like the person. That's interesting. That's really cool. I gotta like see the footage because this screen is so small. I can't tell what's going on, but I got a lot to do at work today. I need to get out of here. Hey yo. All right, so it's actually the next day because yesterday got like super hectic and basically, hold on. Yeah, today I am setting up for a shoot. So I have the Pixis 12K here, Pixis 6K down there, and then a couple other cameras and the case down there. I'm gonna set you down here. Yeah, so right now I'm essentially just doing some camera prep, just getting all the cameras ready, make sure cards are formatted, cameras are labeled, camera A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever, and then waiting for a crew to show up to help me stage and get my lighting dialed in and everything else kind of good to go. So let me grab some of this gear out of my car. This thigh pocket lens case is so funny to me. It's just like the most. Let's head on back. Oh, I'm also testing out the macro lens on the Osmo. If I didn't mention that already. This lens is fun. It makes the camera so much bigger. I can't turn this cart. Yeah, it makes this camera like ridiculously bigger. It's kind of funny, like comedic, because it's like no longer a pocket-sized camera at this point. See, but like 1/100th of a second in indoor settings. This looks nice. This looks decent. I don't know if I'm out of focus because I feel like I'm further away from the lens than I should be. But we'll see. All right, so something I'm doing right now is recalibrating all of the, I don't think this one's calibrating. Yeah, it's not set up. Yeah, so something I like to do is essentially just recalibrate the image sensor on all the cameras so that I can just make sure it cleans up any kind of dead pixels, resets the black level. That way I'm just getting like the cleanest look out of all the cameras.
That's no less love.
Let me see how much this key is doing. I mean, this fill. What's that?
Where's the battery for?
Oh, on top of here.
Right.
Solomon, how can we trying to get this behind this? Yeah, divider. No. Oh, you guys are handheld.
If you want, you're doing 21.
This camera looks amazing. Get a POV inside the drum. Just show me. How you feeling?
Go outside.
Yeah.
Touch grass, bro.
Exactly. Right.
It's really late for a stick. Either that or it's early. I'm still getting
What?
So close. This tiny camera, exactly. Cut. Cool. That should be a wrap. Hey. All right, so things are very exciting right now because I just sold my Fuji X-H2S and picked up this bad boy, the Nikon ZR. Look at, first, two things. There's no battery in here. That's thing one. Look how fast this camera turns on. Power button, camera on. Dude, camera off. Okay, it's not. Power on. Now it's working. Anyway, this camera is awesome. Just got it yesterday. Haven't really tested it out like extensively. I just did some tests here in my room because by the time I got this camera set up, light outside and all that was gone, but I'm about to head into the city and test it out. I just picked up this 40mm f2 autofocus lens. Autofocus on here is like really, really nice. And then just gonna slap my ND on it and yeah, make this thing, let's go make this thing shine, man. I'm so excited to go shoot with this. My plans have unfortunately been kind of thwarted for today. I was like, by the time I get to where I wanted to go, it's gonna be too dark. But I've been messing with this macro lens the past few days for the Action 6. Been pretty busy, so I haven't had time to like really sit down with it. But I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty interesting. I gotta like see footage on a bigger screen, or maybe like pull out my phone, because I'm like trying to figure out and understand like the distance that I should be. Like I can't tell just from the front facing camera or the back really, but I have it on, yeah, the little person mode, so I can kind of like leave my arm like bent, I guess. I can just hold the camera a little closer to me, opposed to like, I don't know, far. But like, let's switch to the macro mode. So this is the macro mode, and I mean, like, to my eyes that looks in focus, but this camera's like right in front of my face. That's too much. Let's go to the distance or whatever mode, mountains. See, and that's nice. Like that's beautiful. Some good light right here, man. Yeah, so anyway, I've been messing with the Nikon ZR. Hopefully my adapter comes tomorrow before I have to like leave the house in the morning, so that I can use my Thypoc lenses, because that'd be really cool, especially with this event going on later in the day. I don't want to come back home, pick it up, and then go all the way back into the city. It's way too much gas. But for the most part, I'm really loving what I'm seeing out of this. Anywho, that's all I kind of have for today. More vlogging and stuff that you'll see in the future will very, very likely be on the Action 6. And then whether that's like even test footage from here, if I'm talking to the camera or whatever, from this camera and whatnot. But yeah, tech is cool. Cameras are cool, fun. Honestly, just buy whatever floats your boat, invest in whatever floats your boat. Floats your butt. Yeah, I'm just like indulging. I sold my Fuji X-H2S for this camera, and I'm like, it's just really cool. I really like the form factor, man. It's like kind of giving me like Leica vibes in terms of the body form factor, with like the grip and stuff. Like, this doesn't bother me too much. Like, yeah, it could use additional grip, but it's not bothering me too much. But I just like the profile. I'm like, imagine putting a vintage Nikon lens on there, man. Oh my gosh, like the way it's gonna look is beautiful. But regardless, the image out of this thing is just nuts. I love it so much. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow, get out, won't waste too much time just sitting around and mess with this thing out in daylight, see how it pulls. So I'm literally just walking around getting shots of this insane sunset happening right now. Like, oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful out here. So I just brought out the Icon again. Just like, oh my gosh, I need to capture this. Oh my gosh, come on, look at that. Wow. Wow. Good Lord. As you saw, the light just got like better and better, so that was fun. That was really awesome to shoot. Sun's kind of gone now, but I'm like already just falling in love. You can do this with any camera, but it's just fun to do it with the new camera and capture like absolutely beautiful stuff. So I'm gonna head inside now. If this is the end of the video, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Almost at 10,000. Let's get me to 10,000. Just a few more to go. Catch you guys in the next one.